Hello world, today we are going to see what a max level Android lock pattern complexity will be like. So we have to define, of course, so what is a max complex patterns. See, a max complexity pattern, a sequence must include horizontal moves like these. I will show you, like these moves, a vertical moves like these or these. This is horizontal, of course, and diagonal moves like this is actually like the knight's movement in chess, so also there is like these movement, bishop's movement in chess. So this is rook, bishop, knight, and also these slashes, but rotated 45 degree probably. See, these rotated right here. So, and every moves, a pattern must contain every moves if it is max complex pattern. So it strategically use all 9 dots. And understanding the number system, so basically it's easy. This is our grid. I'll show you. This is 1. See, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's how it works. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can just understand. So this is basically like, see, this is 1, 1. See, this is where the grid starts. As you can see, this is where the grid starts. Right here. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. And this right here is 1, 1. Yes, it's 1, 1 actually. See, 1, 1. See, got it? And this is actually 2, 2. Yeah, I mean, just imagine. See, 1 square down, 1 square right. 2, 2. Yeah, that makes sense. So these are top 5 max complexity patterns. I mean, there are 296, but I just chose a random 9. So let's go to the first one. So it's 1294. Okay, I'm not going to do that, but instead I will copy this and go to my own website. And this is the first pattern. Also, there is a security check. See, it's 8 grade, aka 8 tier. Now let us go here. Then 149267, which is that, which is basically rotated. So this is where it gets different. Oh, firework. Yeah, this patterns is where it gets different. See, it's still the same except for a strong 200 plus distance. Why is there no L shape? I mean, there's clearly, because this is a max complexity pattern anyways. So those are top 3. So how often each digit appears? So we just analyze 5 patterns. So every 9 digits come at like 5 times. But where they appear in first, second, etc. is interesting, I would say. I mean, this is a 7 slide presentation. We are just in the end. First, one is always first, but like almost like there are 296 different, max complexity patterns. So the top 5 we just looked at always start at 1. So second is 5, which is most common on the top 5, of course. And if you are not checking all 296 without it, of course, then it's something else. Yeah. Third and ninth, lots of variation, patterns branch out differently. It's basically, these 5 are basically like first common, then RNG. That's it, RNG. First 2 are determined and the rest is RNG. Noise. So central hub is 5, often used early. See, the reason why we put 5 so early is because after literally the first move we can just go for like anywhere. Imagine starting here. This is not one of those patterns. I mean, yeah, you can just clearly see there twice. So 2 and 4 bridge with pattern. So what this says, this thing is called a bridge and this thing is also a bridge, but this is most common. Also, I want to show you the highest distance pattern, which goes like, well, what? Oh yeah, I have like scrolling rectangle. This makes this impossible. Oh. 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 This thing is 7,000. Nice. So, not 7,000, 1,700. Okay, anyways. So these are common combos. See, you can just read this. And key takeaways of what? 1 second, please. Yeah. Patterns start along strong with 1 and pivot quickly to 5. So it's basically like this. Bam. And L-shape moves and diagonals are seriously complicated. I mean, who can do this thing fast, man? I had a little messed up. You know, later moves are more chaotic, just filling the leftovers, and you can totally use this for a puzzle game or security analysis, which is great. And that's what I basically did here. Not me, ChatGPT, of course. Anyways, so yeah, that's maximum complexity patterns. So there are like 296 different patterns. After like 300,000, only 296. That's so rare. That's probably less than 1%. And yeah, bye bye. Now I know you will put like one of this pattern to a pass lock because no one ever sees, but I know. Bye bye anyways.